Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is about the problem of association. We'll try to understand this with an example. So I have two class, user and billing details. To create an association between these two class, what I can do is I can have billing detail instance inside user, and inside billing details class I have created instance of user. So this is how I have created the association in Java. Now think about it, how to create association in database tables. So here I have two tables, users table and billing details table. So in billing details table, what I did is I have created a foreign key constraint username so that I can have an association with user table. So if you see here, a user can have multiple billing details. So this association is one to many association. Now think about it. I want to create a many to many association. What I can do? In Java, I can create set of instances inside one class. Okay. So something like this, I can do it. In user class already, set of billing details is already there. But in billing details, before we didn't have set of users. So I have created set of users here. So in Java, many to many association can be created by this. Now think about it, how to create the same or how to achieve the same in database table. So in database table, it is quite difficult to achieve this by two tables. We have to create a new tables for the many to many association. Something like this I have to create. So which I have created as user underscore billing details, where user ID is there and billing details ID is there. Okay. So this is how I have created the many to many association in database table, which is quite different than how I have created in Java. Now, the challenging thing is before we have two tables, user and billing details tables, and we have two classes, user and billing details tables. But now we have three tables. We have user underscore billing details table we have created to achieve many to many association. So how to map this class to Java? This is just an example how difficult or how challenging it is to achieve many to many association in Java. So Hibernate has provided solution to it. So we will be seeing that approach in the upcoming videos. But for now, this type of situation, this type of challenging things is called the problem of association.